This Mexican spaghetti serves 6 to 8 and packs 400 to 450 calories per serving depending on the portion size. Want to make it a little bit lighter? Swap in low-fat or fat-free cream cheese and shredded cheese. You can also use fat-free or low-fat yogurt instead of cream cheese and go for a low-carb spaghetti with 80-20 ground beef for a balanced twist. I have included the links in the description below to some of the low-carb spaghetti that I use time to time. So feel free to check them out if you're interested. No matter how you customize it, this dish is quick, budget-friendly meal that comes together in just under 30 minutes. Perfect for satisfying any appetite. If you enjoyed my content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, nutritious recipes. I invite you to check out my other videos and stay tuned for my upcoming series of customizable, budget-friendly, one-pan Mediterranean dishes. They're quick, delicious, and perfect for any taste. For a quick reference, you can find the recipe ingredients in the description below. In the next video, I have something tasty you won't want to miss. What is it? Well, you'll have to tune in to find out. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.